Climbing it up. Day 2. Most of what you see of this trail was what was uncovered when it was discovered in the early 1900s by Hiram Bikram. So, when the Spanish conquistadors came here in the 1500s, the Incas destroyed the path so that the Spaniards wouldn't find Machu Picchu. But we're gonna find it. Maybe not today, but tomorrow, but the next day. Woo! Nah, very easy at this house. Oh, it's really just what I said to you.